This is a blessing from the garden. Tomato growing in from the garden. You have to have like this. Have you planted from your garden? Now I have a blessing from the Lord. I got some harvest from my garden. Tomato from the garden. This is very good. Look at how much tomato I harvested from the garden. If you have time to every summer plant something, then you can have fruit of your labor. Yep, some tomatoes growing. It's very good. Look at this tomato. It's very good. A blessing from the Lord. Look at this. I put this in the paper so it will not get rotten. It can preserve for a long time. I hope it will last long, but I'm not sure. Just experiment how many days it will last. But this one, I can give it to some of my friends. I can do Bible study tomorrow maybe. I can bring this. And these are the only cucumber I got in my garden. At least I have some cucumber. I have some kale. I make this a salad. This is really good and very healthy. And this is the squash also from my garden. So that is my blessing. And this is sayote. The young leaves of the sayote. You can also add it in your vegetable soup. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching.